In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix keyboard opening shortcuts instead of typing letters in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon, click on System on the left pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here, once you find the keyboard with the run button corresponding to it, run the keyboard troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows, and that will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So run the keyboard troubleshooter. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. Then click on Accessibility on the left pane. Scroll down and click on Keyboard. Make sure that sticky, filter, and toggle keys are turned off. These three buttons from here should be turned off. Next method, right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager window is open, locate Keyboards, expand the list, locate your keyboard driver, make a right-click, select Uninstall device, click on the Uninstall button. After uninstalling it, make a right-click on the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows 11. So, again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.